Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see the manufacturing model without a shortage. In this model, if a company manufacturing an item which is required for its main product, then the corresponding model of inventory is called manufacturing model. In this model, shortage are not permitted. Let us consider some variable for some items. Here, capital D or small r denotes demand in units. Capital K denotes number of units produced per year. Capital C naught denotes ordering cost. Capital CC denotes carrying cost. Capital P denotes purchase cost. T1 period of production as well as consumptions of the items. T2 be the period of consumption only, and T be the total times for a cycle, that is T equal to T1 plus T2. Now the operations of the manufacturing model without a shortage is shown below figure. Here we have some formulated, those are EOQ or capital Q root of 2 into d C naught by Cc into bracket 1 minus d by k equal to root of 2 d C naught by Cc into k by k minus d. Number of order equal to capital D by Q. Period of production T1 is equal to Q by K. Period of consumption T2 is equal to Q bracket 1 minus d by k by d. Cycle time T is equal to T1 plus T2. Let us go to the problem. See here. Automobile factory manufactures a particular types of gears within the factory. This gear is used in the final assembly. The particular of this gear or demand small r is equal to 14,000 units per year. Production rate capital K is equal to 35,000 units per year. Setup cost C0 is equal to 500 rupees per order, and carrying cost CC is equal to 15 rupees per unit per year. Find economic path in quantity, number of orders, K cycles, time. Let us see the solutions. Here given that demand capital D or small r equal to 14,000 unit above problem. Productions rate capital K is equal to 35,000 units per year in this problem. Ordering cost C naught is equal to 500 rupees per order, and carrying cost CC is equal to 15 rupees per unit per year. The first one to solve is a EOQ equal to root of 2d C0 by Cc into k by k minus d. By substituting the values equal to root 2 into d 14,000 into C0 1500 Cc 15 into k value 35,000 and k value 34,000 minus d value 14,000. By doing the calculations, we get the value 1247.219. Approximately the value is 1248 units. 1248 units. The next one is a number of order, which is D by Q. By substituting the values of D and Q, The D value is 14,000 and Q value is 1248. By calculation, we get the value 11.2179. The last one is cycle time, that is T is equal to T1 plus T2. Here T1 is equal to K by Q by K. T2 is equal to Q into 1 minus D by K. By substituting the values, Q value 1248, K value 35,000 plus Q value 1248 bracket 1 minus D value 14,000 and K value 35,000 by D value 14,000. By calculation, we get the value 0.08914. We get the cycle time that is 0.08914. Hope you all understand this concept. Thank you.